Hey folks, Pullerbear guy here. It is August 29th, 2024, and I have the ship list for Friday, August 30th. And here we go. We got a Pro XL to Iwa Beach, Hawaii, Pro XL 321, Honolulu, Hawaii, Grip XL, Toledo, Washington, Cub XL, South Hadley, Massachusetts, Pro XL 321, Waterboro, Maine, Grip XL, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Pro XL 321, Rochester, New York, 2 Pro XL 321 to New York, New York. Cub Light XL to Kaneo, Hawaii. Pro XL 321, Southborough, Massachusetts. Cub XL, Bremerton, Washington. 2 Pro XL 321 to Avondale Estates, Georgia. Cub Light XL to Fayetteville, Arkansas. Grip XL 21, Santa Clara, California. Pro XL 321, Elgin, Illinois. Pro XL 321 to Chatham, Illinois. Pro XL 321, Claremore, Oklahoma. And last one is Cub Light XL to Montreal, Quebec. Now, big day for us today. We put an offer in on a new facility, and it's quite a bit larger than what we have right now. And we hope to be able to produce more of these per day once we're settled. Well, let's see if we get it. It's a couple $1 million, so it's a little risky, but we have to grow, because if you grow, you go if you don't grow, you go stagnant, and we want to keep growing. So, and we want to get these out faster. So, anyway, we'll know in the next couple of days if our offer gets the place or not, and hopefully within a few months we'll be up and running and doing more per day. So we won't have to do these ship lists, and reassure you guys that we're actually working on and getting the stuff done. So, anyway, it's a long weekend. It's Labor Day up here in Canada, and it is down in the U.S. So the next ship list will be Monday. And that will be for, don't ask me the day. I think it's Monday the 3rd. I don't know. Anyway, so it'll be on Monday and for Tuesday ship list. So have yourself a good long weekend. Stay safe, everyone. Get home in one piece, and enjoy the last weekend of the summer. Peace out. Have a great weekend, and thanks for coming by.